Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the two numbers to add. Pick totals under 20 for clarity. Place both hands in view, palms toward you, fingers relaxed. Use each finger as one unit, thumb equals 1, so you can count reliably. Once set, lift fingers from left hand to represent the first addend. Hold them steady, because steady visual cues help working memory. Keep the second hand closed until you add its fingers. This establishes a clear visual representation you can manipulate. You now add the second number by raising fingers one at a time. Watch and name each increment. Grouping helps. Use the right hand as a 5 anchor if you can show 5 fingers, then add remaining fingers to that anchor. Once done, combine by moving fingers together to form full groups. 5 plus 3 becomes 8, for example. Make sure to recount aloud as you go, because hearing numbers while seeing fingers reduces mistakes and reinforces the why behind each move. You finish by counting every raised finger slowly and stating the total. Pause between units so the final sum is clear. If your total feels off, reset one hand and recount in groups of 5 plus extras, then compare. Make sure to use subtraction as a quick check. Lower one finger and confirm the reduced total matches your expectation. If fingers are miscounted, stop, relax hands, and repeat the grouping step to correct the visualization and avoid repeated mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.